Okay guys, I do have to apologize here. I feel like all I ever talk about is California and saving the environment.
It's important.
Wait, what?
It's important, Matt.
Well, of course it's important, but dang, California be tripping, y'all. So this time, we're talking about a new program called the California Clean Truck Check that falls under the heavy-duty inspection and maintenance regulation. We all know that California is committed to reducing emissions and improving air quality, and the Clean Truck Check program will do just that by focusing on heavy-duty vehicles over 14,000 pounds because they contribute significantly to on-road emissions. So what exactly is the Clean Truck Check program? Well, basically, this is a CARB-approved heavy-duty vehicle inspection and maintenance program that requires periodic vehicle testing, emissions monitoring, and expanded enforcement strategies. The program will combine roadside emissions monitoring, improved emissions testing procedures, emission checks and data reporting at required intervals, and compliance verification for various entities. With all of this, they hope to keep vehicles well maintained, properly repaired, and ensure a level playing field for businesses to help contribute to a cleaner and healthier environment. With that said, there will be certain carriers that are required to abide by these rules and others who are exempt. Almost all diesel and alternative fuel heavy-duty trucks and buses over 14,000 pounds operating in California will be required to comply with this. But don't worry, some of you are in luck. If you drive an electric vehicle, a tank, or have a hand-me-down truck from your grandfather, guess what? Yeah, you're exempt. So if a DOT officer is using one of those fancy schmancy roadside emissions monitoring devices, you can just tell them, look man, this truck is older than your dad, I'm exempt. These new REMD devices are pretty nifty though. They're being used to flag potential high emission vehicles, and if you're flagged, CARB will send you a notice to submit testing. And if you get this notice, make sure you follow the instructions because compliance is important to avoid fines and registration issues. Y'all know California don't play. The deadline for compliance verification and registration was on December 31st, 2023. Vehicle owners are required to create accounts in CARB's database, verify their fleet vehicles, and pay for the first annual compliance fee of $30 per vehicle. As we mentioned, there will also be periodic vehicle testing. For those that are subject to this testing, in 2024 they will only be required to test once, but from 2025 on there will be 2 compliance deadlines every year. For those that are subject to this testing, in 2024 they will only be required to test once, but from 2025 on there will be 2 compliance deadlines every year, which needs to be submitted within 90 days before the vehicle's deadline. In addition, freight contractors and brokers will need to verify that heavy-duty vehicles that they contract with, and seaport and rail yard facilities need to verify vehicles that enter their facilities. If you have any questions or concerns, please email us, call us, or fill out the form in the description below, and one of our DOT compliance specialists will help you out.